Okay, good day, class. This is Manship 123. There is a managing of the occupational of health and safety of principle on board the ship. So it's very important. There is introduction. The seafarers like of this working of the right of expected of will be of remain safe at work. I-implement na nung araw. Sense of this number is I-1, 1997. So that's company of the employer have these responsibilities to ensure that health and safety and welfare work, seafarer and others worker on board the ship and seafarer have this of duty of responsible to care of their occupational health and safety themselves and others and cooperate their employed of their company. This matter to health and safety welfare of creating culture dwells to everyone. Sa kada na bawat natin isa, dapat i-implement doon, mag-onboard kayo sa barko. Kasi pagpunta mo doon, kumpleto yung katawan mo. Pagbalik, dapat kumpleto din. Must be responsibilities of this company that in case of emergency, the insurance to make a pay during the accident. But you have no safety. Insurance is denied to pay of their seaman. Mo nang may kiha-kiha pa, mayroon bang na-hearing, ganon, bakit nangyayari ng ganon nga, hindi nag-safety shoes, hindi nag-overall, hindi nag-helmet, bakit nahulugan ng ganitong mga hard material. So, this matter to health of safety welfare, creating of their culture, the will of everyone to take responsibilities of their ship, of the environment to take of their themselves. One of another of this work related of incident that is avoid. So 1.2, what is that a safe working of culture of look alike? Extensive research of identified a certain of element according to greatly of maintaining safe working culture. This can be described as number 1, clearly defined of expectation, good communication. So daan ay mga sinyas-sinyas sa barko kay ug maingay man doon kasi malalaki kasi yung makina eh. Dapat is a good communication and understand kung mayroon na tayong mag-face-to-face ko nung sa next meeting, I demonstrate what is the correct position for this communication and clear leadership. Another, good planning. Before ka mo touch sa imong machinery, that is chief engineer and engineer, magkaroon ng planning. Dapat lahat ng mga yung machinery na imong i-overhaul, for example, must be the check the spare parts as new one before you touch the machinery. Why? Kana gadagan pa na, gatakbo yan siya. Ngayon, ginalaw mo, may mabali, masira yung spare, pagtingin mo pala, walang spare, dapat, yung noong araw bitaw, gi-interview ko sa magsaysay, paano ako nakasakay noong araw, stricto yung magsaysay noon eh. Nakapasok ako diyan dahil sa interview, that means before you touch of their turbocharger of any kinds of this overhaul of machinery, must be the check of these kinds of important spare parts on board. Kasi ang requirement dyan sa mga insurance or mga authorities, must be they have 3 spare parts on board as new one. Di pwede depende lang po na dyan sa lugar, either of anong gawin nila na bakit nakalusot na ganon. Kasi may emergency spare parts and there's normal spare parts. Another, must be the rest of awareness. During of your duty, must be they have a good rest. Mabita na pagtapos mo duty, tulog ka. Hindi magsabi na mag-inom-inom ka pa doon. tapos marami ka pang mga kwento. Dapat may ano ka kasi during of your duty, pag mayroong mga emergency, paano kung natulog ka doon? Hindi ka matulog tapos ng duty mo. Wiper ka, oiler. That is responsibilities during of there's navigation or in the port also. So, must be awareness during of this duty. Natulog ka dyan at tapos yung ano doon, sunog na pala yung purifier or another motor doon, nagusok-usok na. Hindi mo alam. Oh, kasi natulog eh. Lack of rest ka. Dapat awareness ka during and every 30 minutes or 15 minutes, you surrounding of the engine room. That is your responsibilities. Hindi kayo doon-doon panay kape doon sa control room. Ha? Music doon, tapos layo yung isip. So must be you apply this a good and clear and rest during of your duty as a oiler or another for ikaw na maga-onboard ka, ma-official ka na, sa'yo pa rin yun. Kasi during the navigation, bisag automatic yung barko, must be they have a check. Ha? Di man mo masiguro. Constability, good of safety culture. Ha? And the effective of knowledge of management. Ha? Kinalan yung nalalaman mo bitaw ng seaman, they have experience about this trouble because this is a different model. Mauna nga, iba-iba yung masasakyan mo. They have plenty of difference. You know how to rectify that problem of this machinery. I hope you understand. So, this element shall be of the both of the place of the company level with the safety of management system implemented on board the vessel. So, that is master and crew. You say? Master and crew. That is crew, tanan. Ang kapitan, to make a control to all crew, that's very important of enter of their work force of their must be of junior. Kana bitang mo pasok ka og mga manhole nga kuan naman ay pirmahan nimo nga musud ka mo pasok ka diyan kasi in case of emergency naaman ay gitawag nila og kanang amoy ba diyan sa tangke baka ma confiscate ka diha ma untog ka diyan sa loob ng tangke, yan ang resulta. So on board the ship, master and crew, important. So the member of crew of their senior manager assure of their involved of their development, those of their element them to be full of successful, many them of already present with the management system. But often some are missing width of their create of weakness, this management system. So a good approach of their conduct analysis, they identify the element that is their missing or the weak of their amend system according to the develop of their precept. They're the system of their effective. Do you know there's guidance? The whole of element allow along. So there's example, although of there's a depth pair of details between the companies of vessels, principle remain same. So now, 1.2.1, this is a curly of their define of infection. It is important of there's a separate to all level of their organization. They clearly understand what is the effective of their what of standard to required every ship. Ha? Ang ipangita sa mga authorities sa Amerika, ang pinaka-stricto Australia, New Zealand, must be the implement of this safety on board the ship. Remember, the company to comply yun na siya. So, the company is the overall responsibilities established a merry management system, a conditional of their health and system, policies of growing flame of this ensure that master of this provide with of necessary ensure the facilities of the operate of the ship of safely and accordance with the company policies. Naana siya procedure. Dapat sundin mo kasi there's company procedure. And every company, they have a different procedure. There must be responsibilities to the implement of the company policies. This procedure, on board the ship, isulat na dito sa bridge, engine room, ana sa miss hall, or alleyway. Naana. Di kayo punta lang ka doon, tulog lang kain doon. Di pwede yun. Repetition and every person on board responsibility own the occupational health and safety. That is the others of their including. So the accompanying of their instruction safety procedure of their measure to place there is another safety. Now, with reporting of effective of requirement of unsafety condition responsible person, not impairing, weight of altering, and safety device provide on board. To all crew member shall be job of this described and additional of their superior of their cut of competed staff work of this field and unship and no, the staff of their authority, the importance of their comprehensive, clear, and induction process carried out with the respect of their company vessel and specific required to every joining member of the crew according of this respect of the company vessel. To required on every joining member of the crew conduction of shall be of their used to explain and roles expected to format of this easily and understand the crew shall be give to the copies overview of their support of along of information that is the full information found of the example of the rules include there's company handbook and the vessel of the guidebook and the packet card. The last one is different code of the safety of practice as separer 2015 edition according to amended in October 2016. So, ang mga seaman kasi pag mujuin ka, naanay gitawag doon nga turnover. Huwag kang magpirma ng turnover o hindi ka nakaintindi. Kasi kag ikaw na ang duty, magtanong-tanong ka doon, bakit hindi mo tinanong yung pinalitan mo? Must be you ask, what is this? How to operate? O alam mo na yon kasi more of experience ka na, pwede ka nagnibangutana, magtingin ka lang. Tingnan mo lang kasi mag-turnover yung oiler or wiper nga. Ito pre, ganito. Ito lang pag-adjust. May lock dito. May naka-bypass na balbula dito. Nagaganon. That's remember. That is a must be of safety during of your duty on board the ship. So, do you have any question during the kasi wala pang nakapasok dito sa may sa Zoom video discussion kasi hindi nakapasok. Baka yung mga estudyante dito hindi pa nila kapisado nga mag-join dito kasi sinabihan ko nga mayroong online discussion, wala nakapasok kahit isa. So you try how to joining of this video explanation and discussion this manship 1, 2, 3. So I hope you understand. And then during of the face-to-face for the next meeting, you ask what is good, what is a good idea during onboard the ship. Okay, thank you very much.